Since 1946, Baldwin has been America's premier creator of distinctive, handcrafted hardware. That same spirit of innovation is seen today with Baldwin's Keyless Entry Deadbolt, featuring Home Connect technology. Homeowners can now combine stylish door hardware with the latest in functional innovation. The set features decorative hardware's only motorized deadbolt for true one-touch locking, and access codes that can be customized for family and temporary access. When paired with home automation systems, the Home Connect technology enables the door lock to communicate wirelessly with other home functions. Just imagine being greeted as you arrive. The door unlocks, the alarm disables, lighting and temperature adjust, and your favorite music begins to play. You can unlock your home with a smartphone to allow entry to a contractor. He can lock and arm the alarm with one button as he leaves. Then you can check lock status and remotely lock the door if he forgot. Or when your child arrives home from school, the system can notify you with a text message. Advanced home automation technology also allows the lock and home security system to be controlled from anywhere within the house, even the comfort of your own bedroom. With a choice of contemporary and rustic design styles, Baldwin's Keyless Entry Deadbolt features superior construction. While extending Baldwin's tradition of timeless craftsmanship.